Here we are, at David Bailey Furniture, getting ready for another day's work. It is first thing in the morning and the staff are expected in soon, so now is a good time to show you where some of the magic happens. This is our factory in Broadstairs, Kent. We are rather proud of it. And this is where we manufacture our units and fitted furniture, mainly for the healthcare sectors. We are now one of the fastest growing organizations of our kind, increasing our turnover 20% year on year. Our story started in 1982 when local entrepreneur David Bailey decided to open a small manufacturing plant making domestic kitchens. The factory initially shared space with a transport company until the early 1990s. We have long since left domestic kitchens behind, and, in more recent years, we have also increased our presence in the schools, education and veterinary markets, in addition to healthcare. Every order is bespoke to us, so we take great care to ensure that every detail is taken care of. Quality at every stage of the production process is paramount, and this is what David Bailey Furniture is all about. And that's what our customers expect, after 40 years in the business. We have recently completed the second stage in a £500,000 investment program. This investment has paid for 3 new machines, which will help to significantly speed up our production process and pave the way for new jobs. Outwardly, what the company produce are items of fitted furniture and storage units. Most would take these for granted, but take a closer look and you will discover that clever design can literally change lives. We are getting ready for another day, but if you want to know more about us, then call 01843604896 or visit www.davidbaileyfurniture.co.uk.